In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide your email on your Microsoft Teams profile. Whether you're looking to keep your contact details private or make it easier for colleagues to reach out to you, adjusting your email visibility on Microsoft Teams is a breeze. Let's walk through this step-by-step process together. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open Microsoft's Teams free. Once you've launched the application, direct your attention to your profile picture, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Adjacent to it, you'll find the Settings and More menu indicated by 3 dots. Give that a click, and you'll be presented with several options to choose from. Here, you'll want to select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll notice various categories listed on the left side. What you're looking for is the Privacy section. Click on Privacy, and this will bring up a new set of options focusing on how your information is managed and shared within Microsoft Teams. Under this Privacy section, keep an eye out for a label that reads either Manage how people can find you or Your profile. Depending on the version you're using, the wording might be slightly different, but both lead you to the same place, a section where you can manage your profile settings. Here, you should find an option to Manage Contact Information or Manage Profile. Click on this option and it will take you to the area where you can control your contact details. Now, you've reached the point where you can make the desired changes to your profile's contact visibility. Within this area, there should be a setting specifically for showing or hiding your email address or phone number. You'll likely find a toggle switch or a drop-down menu. The toggle switch will let you easily change the setting by switching it on or off, while a drop-down might offer you options like Show to Everyone, Hide from Everyone, or Show to Specific People, depending on how Microsoft Teams has structured the options in your version. By using this toggle switch or drop-down, you can adjust your email visibility according to your preference. Once you've made your selection, you don't necessarily need to click on a separate Save button, as these settings are usually saved automatically as soon as you make your choice. This concludes our quick walkthrough on how to show or hide your email on Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you'll have more control over who can see your email information as you use the platform. Thanks for joining me today. And as always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.